I have a H&F AL340E lathe that came standard with a 6-inch 3-jaw and an 8-inch 4-jaw and a large faceplate with D1 Camloc spindle mount. I bought an import 8-inch 6-jaw that needs a Camloc backplate that I purchased from H&F and machined it to fit it. That involved turning a 165 by 5mm register and drilling 3 10mm counter bored holes at a 180 PCD. Alright, that's my new 200mm 6JawChuck mounted up, and that's a 16mm carbide end mill in the jaws there, and this little indicator is 100th of a millimetre per division, and I reckon I'm getting very close to just 1 division movement there after I've used a little bit of persuasion on the mounting of the chuck. It came in pretty quickly. This little indicator is a cheap Banggood indicator, but it works through a broader sweep quite well and hasn't got too many problems. Back here on the chuck I was getting 2 or 3 divisions movement, and which matched out here, which was a rougher surface, and the needle was bouncing around a bit, but I'm pretty happy with that. That's about 4/10 of a thou in that position. Hopefully it holds that setting. I know these chucks tend to grip up at different run outs at different diameters, but well, that's a start at 16, and I suppose if I was doing something critical in it, I could bump it in on a larger diameter in future, but I think I can say that's job done. So this is a SANOU or SANOU 6JawChuck, 8 inches, K19 200 with 200mm. This one's rated at 2000 revs, which is the maximum revs of this lathe anyway. I see some are rated higher than that, but in fact the picture on the box that this chuck came in showed 2500 revs, and their AliExpress website showed 3000 revs, so I actually complained about that and got some money off it, getting the 2000 RPM version. And anyway, that's it set. I've got to be happy with that.